Credit scores increase based off of multiple things. It can increase based off of you got new credit cards, getting the negative accounts removed from your credit scores, credit reports, and then also too your you can see a credit score increase if you guys were to apply for credit cards and you don't have any credit cards, or you don't have many credit cards and you're missing credit cards. You can see an increase from that. Now, a lot of people always wonder, is this certain formula? Is this a certain thing you have to do? And it is a certain formula to it. It's certain things that you guys definitely have to have in order so that you guys can see an increase, such as making sure you guys keep the balance low on your credit cards. That's one of the biggest things. Making sure that you have any derogatory accounts to your credit reports, make sure that they're reporting accurately. And if they're not reporting accurately, definitely work to remove those accounts from your credit reports. And also make sure you're not using that much money on your credit cards. Like, that's big. Like, don't use too much money on your credit cards. And also too, when you guys apply for too many credit cards, you guys will get a lot of hard inquiries. So you can't see a credit score increase if you constantly pay constantly applying for credit cards. So try not to apply for credit cards. Don't forget, you guys, I have my 50 points, 60 points in 60 days. I teach you guys how you can actually increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. Just so you guys can learn, like, what is the tricks? Like, what is it that can make a credit score increase? It's just 5 ways that I always see that people can go ahead and check to see if they can increase their credit score. And I'm telling you, that really helps. So definitely make sure you guys check that out. It's free, especially if you want to really get a great increase to your credit scores. Definitely make sure you guys